way, my people. Things they happen, no, not be small thing, no, unbelievable. I know say most of una know this man of God, the old firewood, whereas not the feed they break akarawo. No be small thing, no, another one don't still shell, my people. As I they talk to now, this one so na ikpe aramara. No be small thing, no. Matter the grand when they talk say Apostle Dr Kassy say he they send another man wife money 200,000. Say Apostle Dr Kassy say he won't bukere that one again. No be small matter. Now this man of God can't escape for this one. Oh, my people, no be small matter. This matter is struggle. No be small thing. This one I waiting they say ikpe aramara. No be small thing, no. And I know say since when they package this man of God go kiri. No be small thing now they happen. They can't still see one of his trading video where for the kissy. This one so na another one again. No, one man come cry come out say Apostle Dr Kassy they collect his wife for his handle. Say Apostle Dr Kassy they send am money. No be small thing. May not come be say I too talk make una regade.
If you know that lion they call Lion Daniel. Tell him the lion killer is around. Tell him the lion killer is available. Share this video. Tag Ijele. Tag Prof X. Tag Daniel. I'm here to reply I don't know the adjective to use to gratify the idiot. Call himself Daniel. Who came out this morning and said I was toasting the wife, that the wife, he have the chat between me and the wife, that he also, someone I transferred 200,000 to the wife. Wait. Seriously? Oh, Kassy. Some people not call they fear me because it's where police they arrest me. God when I they serve, you know they sleep. God when I they serve, you know they sleep. Now so I do. They call me say Daniel say me call the toasty wife or I call the dating wife online. Online dating. Online dating. He say, me don't know many secrets where the wife tell me. My people, I want to tell you now what I know because I know to get time. Today is my busy day. I need to put this in place against tomorrow and make sure there are security in all the roads that leads to Benin. Because of my enemy like Daniel. Now I call the next time I go watch prophet. Now say, I don't talk say this saga will consign baby testimony. I don't want put body. Because now waiting I talk. 9 they go. So you they sleep with people, wife, and shower. Come on. This one I'll still also. Okay, now me they talk to Julie Arms. Okay, thank you. 9 they come say that say, check now, who's get you it and they talk online. I say me, Kassy, online. I called me, Kassy, nobody. That say Kassy check. I say nobody. Nah, that say okay, go watch Prof X. Now go they watch the guy they talk. The guy say even me send 200,000. How? Jesus. Say me if me do the same money give the wife. Sis. He say me do the same money give the wife. He say in fact the last one me yours send is 200,000. Akpaka. If I put 200,000 for my beauty, it will get to a place. Now say he the talker. The guy was so sure. If na see where Daniel they lie. Una forget say na me first can't tell una say this Daniel truth no dey. Na not say na no dey. If I dey talk, na no dey. Na no go want believe me. Na go now say, hey, I want to do damage control. Like Jeremiah they work for. So now make me they against Daniel. This Daniel story no clear. Oh, no na ask and well. Because these people lies a lot. They go pull life for pastor head. They go talk with the happen plus what no happen. That the prophet Jeremiah saw he said they call your name because I'm not supposed to call you for this kind of useless boy. It just now Daniel. They talk with full confidence. So he said yes. He said I have voice notes. I have voice note. My people, the voice note between me and Daniel. So okay, make they go. Now Prof S they answer him because he go even give Prof S a wife number, me wife call. Yeah? Now I carry my phone, now I type. As I type, now I see the girl name appear for my phone. What is she take save her? I save her with Facebook, Precious, Chiamaka, Enugu State. Now I say interesting. Now go WhatsApp. Now open no. Now see where the girl writes me. Now wait. Those of now we never go read that. You see what I take save her? Now see her. Facebook, Precious, Chiamaka, Enugu. My people, I go to read that for now. Small. I tell my own no. Mona see October 16. Now here, good evening, daddy. Am I big mona? My big mona. Una see am. Good evening, daddy. Now say, how are you? Who is this? Now I come right. He say, good evening, daddy. I am Precious Chiamaka from Enugu State, but based in Warri, a dropout student of Queen Comprehensive Secondary School. I was born November 14, 24. I am 18 years old. I am 18 years old. I don't know who is my dad. My dad said he died when I was still a little girl. I grew up living with different people. Daddy, please, I need home. I need a father, a mother. Please, daddy, the woman that said she's my mother, she does not treat me like her other children. Daddy, please, I need new home, new family. I really love to go back to school. I will be 18 by next month. Daddy, I saw your line on Facebook. Now I say, bet I don't stay in Warri. He said, daddy, please, where do you stay? Please, I really need your help. I say, Benin City, Nigeria. I say, okay, bet can you take me as your daughter? Now I say, sure, you are welcome. He said, thanks. Daddy, good morning, sir. He can send me one audio. I know here. I still play. He sent me audio. I know here. Now I send her this audio. Nah?
Please, I don't understand what you mean.
Okay, see the one I first send. Wait, see the one I first send.
Good morning, how are you? How are you doing? I'm not hearing anything from the audio you sent.
Are they here?
Please, I don't understand what you mean.
Now, I said I did not hear this your voice note. Okay, the voice note that you sent is not clear. Okay, good afternoon, sir. How are you doing? I'm fine. Good evening, sir. How are you doing? Good day, sir. I greet you. Good evening, sir. Thank you. Oh, I'm serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. Oh, my enemy, what did I do now? I sit there on my own. And I carry this girl, make come back, talk, say he need home. Make a call and say, okay, come and stay my home. Make una dey listen, oh. On Wednesday morning, I said, you're ready to go church. Now this girl call me. He said, daddy, We don't know. I don't know if you go find that voice note because everything about my phone is programmed. People, on Wednesday, now this girl you come you, he dey cry. Oh, daddy, I want to come to Benin. I want to come and meet you. Now I say, Benin again? Benin again? Now I say, who's kind Johnny with this one? Now I say, please call me back. If they say they lie, may they play the audio. Now I say, call me back, please. Call me around 1 or 2 p.m. Now 30K. Exactly 2 p.m. I don't meet miss call. I come after 2. I don't meet miss call. Now I just look at him, I see how they call again and pick. He says, sir, please, I want to come to Benin. I want to be staying with you. Now I say, staying with me. He say yes. Now I say, please, don't be in a hurry. And the girl, now I tell the girl, say, please, before I will even want to help you to come to Benin, I need to know the people you are staying with. If the story you are telling me, if it is true or lie. I can say, please, I'm doing my birthday. My brain is not settled now. When I have chance, I will call you. I want to know the people you have stayed with. I will send my team. To Enugu. Me no say na worry here day. Oh, Kassy. Ogume sogaga, sogaga no sa. Ogume sogaga, hallelujah. Oh. If somebody will call me that, they gonna say, Kassy, why did you go and say Daniel's wife is not dead? Why did you say Daniel lie? This and this. Not last, say my brother. I don't date this social media space, I don't know as they play game, I don't know everything, If people say, no, do you think it's a serious matter? Do you know it was the spirit of baby testimony that struck Daniel, that made Daniel to be... I say, my sister, I say, calm down. If the person they watch me now, he go know say I they talk to. That you be my weakness. Not the person say, calm down. This guy, the truth no dey this guy, Matt. I dey sense am. I don't dey social media space for some time. Did you notice the way that man was lying? It was like, yes, he used to talk to Kassy. They are in love. My wife used to tell me, he love, this story is sweet. Ijele, God will bless you. Ijele say, guy, that 200,000 when you talk for everything.